Good morning, class 1. So, today we will begin with a new chapter, that is housing and clothing, from page number 79. Okay, so in this chapter, you will learn about what are uh, why do we need a house, what are the different types of rooms there are in a room, there are in a sorry, how how many rooms are there in our house, and why do we need clothes, and what are different types of clothes that we wear according to the different season. Okay, so before that we have to help Mona to reach her home because she have lost her way to the home. So we have to find out the correct way so that she could uh, reach her home. So if we choose the first path here, this one, so if we choose this path, she won't be able to make it to her house because it has been blocked here. Okay, and if we choose the easiest way here, this is also not going to uh, take her to her home because it has not uh, been completed. And after this, if we choose this path here, this one here, and take this path from here, and so if we take this path, she will reach her home. Okay, so you have to find her path so that she could reach her home on time. Moving on. Okay, so the first subtopic is need of a house. So why do we need house? Because we need house to live in, where we could sleep at night, and house.
Need for house and clothes. We need a house to live in. A house protects us from the heat, the cold, the wind, and the rain. It also keeps us safe from wild animals. A house has many rooms. Each of them has its own use. Take a look. This is a study room. We study or work here. This is the bathroom where we bathe or brush our teeth. This is a bedroom. We sleep in the bedroom at night. This is the living room. We sit with our guests and friends in the living room. We may also watch TV or listen to music in the living room. We eat food at the dining table in the dining room. This is the kitchen where food is cooked. Along with a house, we also need clothes. Clothes cover our bodies and protect us from heat, cold, wind, and rain. We wear different types of clothes depending upon the type of weather. We wear cotton clothes when it is hot. They keep our bodies cool. We wear woolen clothes on days that are cold as they keep our bodies warm. We also wear shoes and socks as they protect our feet. We wear raincoats or carry umbrellas when stepping out during a rainy day. They protect us from rain.
So a house keeps us safe from the hot sun, the cold, the wind, and the rain. Why? Because our body is made as such that it cannot sustain too much hot or too much cold, so that, and if it does, it will make us sick, okay, and we will fall ill. It also keeps us safe from wild animals, okay. If we had a house, then wild animals such as bears, tigers, and animals, those can't attack us if we are inside our house. That means we are safe inside our home. Okay, moving on. So after this we have rooms in a house. Let us take a look inside Mita's house. There are many rooms inside her house. Each room has a different use. So if you look at the textbook here, you can see there are almost 6 rooms in a one house. Okay, and each room has a separate each room has been separated by walls, and there each room has a separate use. They can use for different first one is the study room, which is usually used for studying purpose, and the next one is the bathroom, which is used for cleaning purpose, and third one is the bedroom, which we usually use for sleeping, and fourth is the living room, fifth is the dining room, which we used while we having lunch, breakfast and dinner, and the third one is the kitchen area, where we used to cook foods. Next we have, so after this we have need for clothes. Why do we need clothes? Because we wear clothes to cover our body. Clothes protect us from the heat, the cold, the wind and the rain. We wear different clothes at different times. Clothes made of cotton are called cotton clothes. We get cotton from cotton plant. We wear cotton clothes when it is hot. Cotton clothes keep our bodies cool. So what do we understand from here is, we usually wear cotton clothes during summer season, okay, when weather is extremely hot. During that times we wear cotton clothes, so that it keeps our body cool, and we won't feel any hot. Then after we have clothes made of wool are called woolen clothes, okay. We get wool mainly from sheep. We wear woolen clothes when it is cold. Woolen clothes keeps our body warm. We put shoes and socks to protect our feet. So if we wear woolen clothes made of wool, that means we are in the winter season, and during this season we usually wear warm clothes which are made of wools, okay. Woolen clothes are good for during the cold winter seasons, okay, and it also protects our body. And we also put shoes and socks during this winter season, okay. When it rains, we need to wear raincoat or carry an umbrella to protect us from getting wet. So during rainy seasons, we carry raincoats and umbrella in order to protect us from the rain, and it also protect our body so that we won't feel sick or ill. Okay. So that's all for now. So with this we have finished our chapter clothing and housing. So we will begin our exercises in the coming class. Okay. Thank you.